Hey cocktail lovers, I guess you're here because you want to see a cocktail. Well, you found the Drunken Sailor cocktail channel, and if you've been here before, you know me, I am Bill the Drunken Sailor. Well, today, it's been a while since I made a tiki cocktail, almost 2 weeks. And I found one today that's a little bit different, but it's definitely delicious. Tiki cocktails are a little bit more work than our simple 2 or 3 ingredient cocktails that we typically do. But I think this one you're going to enjoy. So follow me as we go step by step and make this cocktail that's got some great historical background to it. The cocktail itself dates back to 1955 and it comes from a restaurant in San Diego. And the restaurant was going out of business. It was rescued by a gentleman by the name of Tom Ham. Tom was an accountant. And you know, accountants, they see where they can make money. So Tom said, I got to save this place. So he took this restaurant, which was called The Hut, and renamed it. He renamed it the Bali Hai. My perfect island is what it translates to. Well, Tom's vision came to fruition. The restaurant is still in business today, and it's run by his 3rd generation. It's ran by him, his daughter, his grandchildren. They needed to have a signature cocktail. And of course, with a signature cocktail, you got to come up with a name to it. The iconic figure for this restaurant was a Tiki figure in the front. And he was affectionately named Mr. Bali Hai. And that is what they named the cocktail, the Mr. Bali Hai. So let's get pouring. We're going to make this cocktail in a shaker. Now, if you have a tiki blender and you can whip blend it, you can do that. But I don't, so we're not. We're going to make it in the shaker. The cocktail has got a few different ingredients to it. We're going to start with 2 different kinds of rum. We've got a couple of different fruit juices to it. And the special ingredient that makes this a little bit different is it's a coffee cocktail. We've got some coffee liqueur in there. I'm going to start with my simple syrup. And that's equal parts sugar and water. And I'm going to put in there about 1/2 ounce. I'm going to follow that up with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're using fresh because we know fresh is best. My next juice going in there is pineapple juice. Got to have pineapple if it's going to be tiki. We're going to use 1.5 ounces. Well, I got enough fruit juice in there for a tiki cocktail. Now what I need to do is start adding some rum. I'm going to put in there 1 ounce of white rum. And as we're giving these rums out, you can use any rum that you want. If you wanted to use a coconut rum in there, you probably could. If you want to use just a plain white rum, go ahead. We're going to follow that up with 1.5 ounces, and today I'm using a Jamaican rum. The Jamaican rums have got a little bit of a interesting flavor to them, and we're going to use 1.5 ounces. We're coming down the home stretch. The only thing we have left now is to use our coffee liqueur. Today I'm using Mr. Black. Don't feel like you have to use Mr. Black. If you want Kahlua, you can use that. Kahlua is another rum-based coffee liqueur, and we're only going to use 1/4 ounce on there. Just a touch. That's everything that we need in this shaker, except we got to ice it up and we got to chill it down. Now today I'm using small ice cubes, and if you're going to blend this, you can use crushed ice. Put lots of ice in there, and now we're going to put a top on there, give that a smack, and we're going to give this a good shake. I want it nice and cold. Now another fun thing about tiki drinks is you don't always have to strain the ice out of them. So what we're going to do is called a dirty pour. We're going to take the ice that we shook it with and we're going to put that right in our tiki glass. I can fill that up with a little bit more ice here. Clean up my mess. And now all I have left to do is garnish this. Because we're using pineapple in there, I'm going to start with a couple of pineapple fronds. You got to have vegetation, right? Next, pineapple. We're going to put a slab of pineapple in there. Eeny me. Now, got to put some color in there. We got a lot of gold in there. So let's just drop a couple of cherries on top of it. We know everything with a cherry on it is better. So we'll drop a cherry there. We'll drop a cherry there. And I really don't think it can't be a tiki drink if we don't have an umbrella. So let's just drop the umbrella in there. Now with all that in there, there's no way I'm going to get my face close to that cocktail unless I use my straw. So we'll put a straw in there. And there is today's tiki cocktail, Mr. Bali Hai. I won't sing the rest of the song. Please don't leave the channel. Let's give this a taste. Ooh. Of course, you've got that nice, delicious Jamaican rum in there. It's got all kinds of crazy spices going on in there. The white rum in there is really kind of neutral. You don't taste that a whole lot. Pineapple, very, very prevalent in there. So it's sweet, but not too sweet. And then that coffee just adds a little bit of bitterness to just change that palate in there. This one, it's easy to see why they've been making this since 1955. Cheers, everybody.